Welcome back to the channel, guys, for another install on the 2022 WRX. In case you guys missed my little short I posted yesterday, we are doing a 1,200 subscriber giveaway on this channel. We are going to be giving away a Billetworkz Shifter Plate for the 2022 WRX. It also fits the 2015 Plus as well, since it is the same part for either model. But today we're going to be installing the Vortex generator on this car, so let me show you that real quick. Here we have the Vortex generator from Subaru. Did come with some alcohol wipes, and it does have all the 3M tape already put on. I mean, this is another hint of that the STI was going to come out, but they definitely got canceled. But there's the WRX/STI Vortex generator. This is a part number specifically for this car. This is not the same part number from the 2015 model. So let's get this on the car real quick just to mock it up to see what it's going to look like. So I have it roughly mocked up here. I need to secure it with some blue painter's tape, but this is roughly what it's going to look like. It fits right around the antenna. You just need to make sure the gaps are the same on all sides, but it already has the red tape pulled up, so we can just peel that off once we're ready. So let me take this off. We're going to prep it with the alcohol prep pads that Subaru gave to us. And let's go from there. All right, so I have some blue painter's tape holding it down. Having a tough time with the painter's tape just sticking to the roof because the car does have ceramic coat on it and some wax on it, but we did prep it underneath where the 3M's actually going to go. But we got it perfectly centered in the middle. The sides are aligned. Everything looks good. So now we're just going to peel each 3M thing and stick it down. So let's get to that. Well, there you have it. We have the Vortex generator installed. It definitely needed a second pair of hands. Lovely wife was over there helping me with holding it down. For some reason, my blue painter's tape wasn't sticking to the glass. It wasn't sticking to the paint at all, even after we prepped it. So definitely need another set of hands. And then we had to prep to peel everything off. It wasn't just as simple as just peeling it off. There was a specific order to take them off in. So once we got that figured out, I just held it in the middle to make sure the middle is perfect. And then I just had her peel it, and then we just stuck it down. So we are all set with this install. So that wraps up this one for everyone today. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, we have a 1,200 subscriber giveaway. We're giving away a Billetworkz short shifter, or this is a Billetworkz Shifter Plate. It does reduce your shifts by 35%. So just like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.